Hey, what's going on everyone? Some leaks about OnePlus 9 series have been surfaced online. So in this video we'll talk in brief what we know so far about the upcoming OnePlus 9 series. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik, welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, if you're still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. OnePlus 9 series specifications have been leaked via listing on T-Mobile support page. The listing has since been removed, but a known tipster shared a couple of screenshots on Twitter showing pretty much the same specifications for the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro except the display and camera. The vanilla OnePlus 9 and the Pro variant are said to be offered in two configurations each, at least in the US, where they may launch a single SIM phone. Additionally, OnePlus 9R was teased with attachable gaming triggers, and company CEO Pete Lau said that the OnePlus 9 series will release with ColorOS in China. Now let's talk about the expected specifications of OnePlus 9 series. The T-Mobile listing was spotted by the known tipsters Evan Blass, who shared a couple of screenshots on Twitter. The OnePlus 9 features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display with a hole punch cutout on the top left corner of the screen. On the other hand, the OnePlus 9 Pro is listed with a 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED display. Both phones have previously confirmed to come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC, and the T-Mobile listing shows the same processor. Both the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro may be offered in 8GB plus 120GB and 12GB plus 256GB of configurations with 4500 mAh batteries. In terms of dimensions, the OnePlus 9 is said to measure 160 by 74.2 mm, while the Pro variant is said to measure 163.2 by 73.6 mm. In a reply to the tipster's tweet, a Twitter user goes by the handle @GM_T16 shared the camera details from the same listing. The OnePlus 9 is said to feature a triple rear camera setup with 48 megapixel sensor, a 50 megapixel sensor and a 2 megapixel sensor. The OnePlus 9 Pro is said to feature a quad rear camera setup with an additional 8 megapixel sensor. On the front, both phones may carry a 16 megapixel shooter. Last week, OnePlus India tweeted a silhouette image of the OnePlus 9R with what seemed to be two gaming triggers attached to it. They look like attachable triggers that provide additional physical buttons that can be mapped in games. It is unclear if the company will be releasing more gaming accessories for the OnePlus 9R. OnePlus will be launching this third variant in the series on March 23rd. Alongside with the vanilla and the Pro variants. Additionally, company CEO Pete Lau shared on Weibo that the OnePlus 9 series will release with ColorOS 11 in China on March 24th. OnePlus typically launches its smartphone with Hydrogen OS in China and Oxygen OS outside of China, but this time around, it will be switching to ColorOS. If these OS names sound familiar to you, you are not mistaken. Oppo phones run on ColorOS, and now OnePlus 9 series phones will do the same thing. For now, whether OnePlus is completely abandoning Hydrogen OS remains unclear. For the uninitiated, OnePlus, Oppo and Vivo are owned by the same company, BBK Electronics. So this is everything we got to know so far about the upcoming OnePlus 9 series. Please let me know your thoughts about how much are you excited for this OnePlus 9 series. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.